Today we are learning about prepositions of time, in, on, and at. We use these words to say when something happens. In is for longer, general periods. Example, in the morning, in April, in 2026, in winter. On is for specific days and dates. Example, on Monday, on my birthday, on the 1st of May. At is for exact times. Example, at 3 p.m., at midnight, at lunchtime. So remember, in is used when we are talking about big periods of time, on when we talk about days and dates, and we use at for exact times. Let's practice. Which is the correct answer? In. I usually wake up in the morning. Which is the correct answer? On. We have a meeting on Tuesday. What about this one? In. My birthday is in July. Which preposition do we use here? At. The train leaves at 7:45. Great! Now listen to this song and try and find as many prepositions of time as you can. And think about why we have used each one.
I had the chance in my youth, but I let it slide. Told myself I'd get serious somewhere down the line. There was a meeting on Monday, I stayed quiet again. Had the words in my head, but they never came. I sat there at 3 p.m. staring at the screen, watching someone else say exactly what I mean. And no one knows the difference from the outside view, but I do. It gets harder day by day, there's always something in the way. I had it in me all along, I just didn't try. Now it shows on the days when I need it most in life. And at the moment it matters, I fall behind. Yeah, it's not what I know, it's when I can't reply. I've got a class in the evening, but I don't feel right. Long day at work, and I'm too tired to fight. It's scheduled on Thursday, I almost cancel again. Same quiet voice saying just start next week instead. But there I am at midnight, scrolling my phone, thinking about the life I said I wanted to own. It's not a lack of time, it's something deeper than that. And I know where I'm at. It gets harder day by day, there's always something in the way. I had it in me all along, I just didn't try. Now it shows on the days when I need it most in life. And at the moment it matters, I fall behind. Yeah, it's not what I know, it's when I can't reply. In the morning I say I'll change, on the weekend I'll rearrange. But at the moment I should begin, I hesitate and I stay. was always in my hands. I just looked away. Now I see it clearly on every single day. So at this moment, I'm drawing the line. If I don't speak now, I lose more.